Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this step-by-step tutorial, we're going to show you exactly how you can join a Discord server without an invitational link. Yes, you're right, there is a possibility how you can join these servers on Discord without getting any invitation from a contact. So without further ado, let me show you really quickly how it works in practice. With that in mind, drop a like and now let us get started. So obviously in the first step, you will need to launch the Discord application, for example, on your laptop or on your PC. And guys, here on your home screen, you will see these direct messages here to the left, and also further down below, a list of servers you have already joined. As you can see, I haven't joined any of these servers yet because I created that account here for demonstration purposes. So guys, to join servers, simply click on that plus icon here, add a server. Now this window here will pop up for you, create your server. Now, of course, you don't want to create your own server. You may do that, of course, but you would like to join an already existing server. So to do that, click on join a server here at the bottom, even if you haven't received any invitation yet. So guys, on the next page, you will be given the opportunity to, for example, enter the provided invitation link here and to access the given server that way. Or alternatively, guys, if you haven't received any invitation yet, simply click on don't have an invite here to get redirected to the community of globally accessible servers here in Discord. And after that, simply browse through that community here, for example, under a specific category like gaming, music, entertainment, or education, and browse through the list of available servers to join the one you would like to join. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to join, let's say, the Genshin Impact server. So click on it, that's their official server. Now to join them, simply click on that button here at the top, join Genshin Impact official server, or here in the bottom right corner, join server. In some cases, you may get asked by the admins to accept terms of service or to follow the guidelines and community policy. So accept these if you want to join the given server. In this case, that wasn't necessary. So as you can see, I joined the Genshin Impact server on Discord to, for example, join conversation chats, to make friends, to find someone to play with, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's basically it. That's how I do it. You can apply the same trick to any other globally accessible server in Discord. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and I'll catch you later.